right, good morning and welcome to Silver TV on YouTube. And I don't pay so ya boafo frano shesheshe edi ebremo as usual say ne munim no enya abotre so ne so pa na ya hede sefata sebote no na jede aba na edi aba besumene. We have close to 7 strong stories from the camp of Kumasi Asante kotoko. Let me do this. So I know I like your video. No, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share and also subscribe. Some have not subscribed to the page. You subscribe to it. Now, actually, we the questions baby about, and one particular question about continuously. The Adakwajachi project. It looks like for once you see that Asante kotoko fans want to focus on what is going on off the field, now what is going on the field. Question about, there was a question about replica jerseys, set time being a. These are all questions about, as usual, I said, we normally try to answer these questions on Saturdays. So there will be answers, hopefully. There will be answers on those two things. I think that now what you any questions, who's a man for a bisapa, Adakwajachi, jersey, yes, I think those two. Yeah, for now that is what I know. The Akebunyan, the better movie, but I don't have my attention, pa. But moving on, like talking about subscribing to the page and all those things, yes. Now you didn't come on, I'm a baby. You con some and then in some of them send me to when we are on Samsung. I did a bremo, but let's start it off from a year. Asante kotoko echita for amuko piemu our tamale. Coach Akwesi Apia was there. Nana Kwame, a communication team member of Asante kotoko. Na wenya Nana Kontomponi aferi hine. Nana Pinkra na onosu wo ho nyina akota Coach Akwesi Apia chi eba ne dim kunim. Na enra yedin komo Coach Akwesi Apia side. We're trying to find out say Sudan and common at saying. But they did 2 anima officially from the camp of Coach Akwesi Apia. No, you say, no Krenia Bakopo, catch say, as I then run now, yet to the Swaba, where we need now, Obabe, a member of the Executive Council of Ghana Football Association, representing Premier League teams using Asante kotoko, not only Sudan for signing any contract. He has admitted that there is an offer. And negotiations are ongoing, but when you sign a contract, we had an extensive interview, lengthy conversation, and on this side, so for now, Kacha said his focus is on Asante kotoko and the Executive Council. If anything changes, there will be a communication. But for now, I'll say on sign a contract with my friend Sudan and not a free over. From Silver TV. Now moving on to other issues. On say Kumasi Asante kotoko match number bonds Monday against Accra Lions. No confirmation about say Accra Sports Stadium. And unti Asante kotoko will still be a Pajo. Normally training or Pajo. Senka kotoko venue use to Ashton for there. And on the team move away from Pajo. But because say Asante kotoko team no omo elkopo our natural grass Accra Sports Stadium. Don't forget say this weekend matches no many are papa. You are getting a fiade Diana Stars playing against Brekum Chelsea. Diana Stars were 1 win out of the 3 games. Many are papa. Now you will get Bechem United against Mediama. And also a 12 game because Mediama ever 1 point. Because we about 2 matches. And we lose back home. That is okay. Lose to Adriana. And our Accra Lions board draw. So Mediama 1 point. And they are playing against Bechem United. A year Bechem United. So no coach a friend a year Bismarck Kobe Mensah and also no more demane pa. The Bismarck so be person win ever in that Bechem encounter because social league table now with say Bechem United so also 3 points and negative 4 goals because Bechem United actually 2 goals are considered a year 6 into your -4 into betchem per win and ratio table now and or 3 points or boy against Mediama or boy against Brecum Chelsea are all 4 points. Then you get a year betchem United or 3 points or boy against Mediama on also 1 point until weekend is them the 2 and 12 encounters and an air battle. How to folk you both dream FC. How to folks who are 3 points will lose 2 matches. And our about draw a year where we win back. That win was against a home match at House Boy against Nswatreman to House against Dreams FC. Nations FC in Legon cities. These are 12 encounters at Air Basel. Then the next big one, no. And I may come with some Asante kotoko and the Accra Lions 4 p.m. on a year Monday. Our Accra Sports Stadium 4 p.m. Monday. Our Accra Sports Stadium na match no. Ebe Asante kotoko ebe koso a year pacho normal training because I'm go ball no our natural pitch. So now enra the see ya Kumasi Asante kotoko team no entimi anye training no eye tiawa enye kasa tintin bebre. Enra insuto Kumasi pa. It started in the morning etoya kodru even enumere no it was still raining. Now one thing is that pitch na we are so training since so turn now we are training na it affect the nature of the pitch. And the idea back 2 the likelihood that the player can get injured no so osro in general training prevented Asante kotoko from a year the rain prevented kotoko from training that is what happened here now kotoko training. Now the coaches decided they will use that to their advantage and work on the boys what you call off the field tutorials. In general, we say so no turn training ne bana no coach ni engage players no. Once a kotoko video analyst no na me nka mo asem. I decided not to talk about them because they record Asante kotoko's training. Now they do the interpretation. We're here trained by the Ghana Football Association. So they do the interpretation. No me interpretation we are. There's one member of Asante kotoko team, no, the technical team, or no, or knowledge when it comes to the video analysis. To that member, no, kotoko bobo crown trans bench or not the stance, and he analyze the game from a distance. On set pressure on the bench, different from pressure when you are in the stance. So they put one member in the stance to observe the game and draw the input because more bench work. But pressure is different. Not to throw up. Park in the second half, he comes to the dressing room, offer what he has noticed to the coach. Normally, so that was what when we my team in the absence of a physical training, there was psychological training and how to teach the players with certain things on the field. And on the course, there was Asante kotoko side. Mede to him and pay. Now again. Kotoko training is expected send Asante kotoko be training and 2 and no pay Asante kotoko be training yame adoma Saturday and Sunday. Now I'm free Kumasi. That is what I'm picking because kotoko be free Kumasi on a Sunday and Sunday is kotoko free Kumasi even around 11 or 12 because I want you training Sunday now. That means we call a whole day I want you training. No I can bobo Thursday and don't forget say Thursday, Akobobo what Monday, 1 day training, Sunday, Akobobo Monday. And again, 1 day is out of Kotoko's training plan because of a year a dear friend in Suna, a toy, until no year free until they will do training on Sunday and travel on Sunday to Accra. Don't forget the match is 4 p.m. And so could do Accra free Kumasi even 12 hours. Let's say 5 hours, by 5 now Accra. You can rest for almost 23 hours. You have almost 23 hours to the game. So I'm not rested. And upon the Bay walk, I copy send the Abeko Stadium around the 2 o'clock and 1:30. Marco Bobono on 4 p.m. So the team will train today, tomorrow, and Sunday ahead of the game on Baba against Accra Lions on Monday. And also a day floor. But now the injury situation and the news concerning injury Asante kotoko camp. What I'm picking here is almost Lamte uniform, which I reported it yesterday, but that was a measure to prevent any challenges from happening. And now what I've been told is from the medical point, Lamptey's chances of playing against Accra Lions is very high. Egusu Ewosoro. But unfortunately, Abrante friend Julius Ofori Ziggy, he said we're moving from working last week Friday. The catch us our Asante kotoko training grounds, no. Now Abrante friend Julius Ofori, they know you're nice and no you're working. But say they're on the run in account. But as to say, obey up started there. Player on starting KK board, the their coach, ever rushing in. So Julius Ofori is out of the game, and that is what I'm telling you. The other news I'm picking, Abrante friend Isaac Opon. It looks like Isaac Opon will be out of the game because we have some difficulties, we have some bad feeling in some part of himself, of his body. Into Isaac Opon so out of the game. And here the Sheriff Mohammed defender, Onyenya the ultimate recovery. The technical team. Yes, he played a game against Namoro, but Oshaya free bench and a buy about the second half. So clearly, the technical team and Fiada, they have close to 3 days. But from what I'm picking, and Rashid Sharif Mohammed and Nababura 20-man squad, not create any issues for branch of Sharif Mohammed. So for now, Isaac Opon, Julius Ofori, Sharif Mohammed, it looks like they are all out of a year. Asante kotoko game on the ball against Accra Lions. As to say Blay, out, I cannot tell because Blay ball 90 minutes against Namoro. Tiebeshe and net training, me I hear me had more training, she had net dear, near her tina dear, Nasi who said now the recovery rating was right. Yet the Nina Baba come, but was started kicking, and he's very, very determined, more than you can ever expect. I think Nakan say I'll be very happy to see Blay back into the setup and doing what he does best. The name Blay, commanding the midfield, bossing the midfield, we see that happening. And no opinion be framing at the assembly to him say na greater craft for year maybe. And I nearly dropped that news, but I decided to keep it until almost Kotoko will show an extraordinary character against Accra Lions, and things will turn around for all the fans. And now my analysis be already soon. So after that, now and the frame says whatever I'm saying is true. To spread the message of trust the process, I say couldn't be FM. So spread. What I was saying was, if you are spreading trust the process message, now couldn't be FM. Come on the cano, and he accepted it. So what I'm saying is true. If Kotkonya winner, Ebema pushing the agenda and trying to tell the fans to trust the process and calm down, Ebema come on more, you do more. But he's assuring us Kotoko will have a different turnaround when they play against Tima, the friend Accra Lions, Monday. So we are all hoping for the best, and we believe that is what we all want to see Kotoko get back on the winning way. So it's weekend, really a tough weekend. Mediama Ebo against Bechim, Ediana Ebo Brekum Chelsea. Even Hard to Folk and Dreams FC. It's not an easy match with Coach Karim Zito on the bench. It's not going to be an easy match. So we have a wonderful weekend that awaits us, and we all wish all the teams all the best, but especially Asante kotoko. And I wish you all the best. Silver TV, and I pay them a buana, make me the other some more, and I'm the other some. Adios, bye bye.